don't ever fall into lose-lose or lose-win trap. Win-lose, sometimes it happens. Yeah, cricket match. You cannot have win-win. It is always lose-win. Win-lose. You have to think from that point of view. Competitive world, when there is only one possible winner, then go for win-lose. Today's world, it's always a win-win situation. On your own, you probably can't go in for win-lose. You will not be respected in market. Till 10 years ago, it was always win-lose. We are winning and they are losing. I was part of the team of Max Touch. What is Vodafone today? It was Max Touch way back in 95-96. When there was no cell phone call initiated, we were the one. We were in the sales and marketing team. And every day, every night, we used to think only one thing. ये BPL का पहला कॉल होएगा ना, उसके पहले हम लोग का पहला कॉल होना चाहिए. Customers should know what it is. The ad campaign was designed that way. We literally used to finish our work by 8 o'clock and then sit in the office till रात को 1 बजे, 2 बजे, 3 बजे, टाइम का ठिकाना नहीं रहता. एक ही थॉट दिमाग में, win lose. We have to win, let somebody else lose. आज क्या हो रहा है? They are shaking hands. They are sharing towers. They are sharing networks. Network share करते हैं कि नहीं? आप यहाँ से बाहर जाओ तो roaming क्या होता है? आपको सिर्फ अगर BPL का सिग्नल मिलेगा, so even if you are Vodafone customer, you can still use that. That is win-win situation. 10 years ago, it was absolutely good. Now it has changed to win-win. Entire corporate world goes that way. All right. So where you fall? This is where I want everyone to do well, win, and I don't want other people to win. Whew. How many of you are really happy when you hear that some of you are doing excellent job? How many of you really admire that factor? How many of you really think that this is what even you want to do? Please raise your hands. I want it to be a confident yes. Learn to appreciate talent, learn to appreciate hard work, smart work and performance. You can't afford to say, I don't like to see other people win. It has to be, I want everyone to do well. For that, let me do well first. Let me do well first. What is the best available in market? Let me earn my salary. Sorry. Let me earn my incentive also. Sorry. Let me do the highest possible incentives what company is willing to give me. Again, sorry. You have to go beyond this and help everyone with you to transcend that D point. Go beyond that. That is the only time entire company will be synergized. The next habit that you will see, synergized. That is the only way you will feel, understand from within, yes, together we are not only having fun, not only learning, but also going beyond that. Habit number 5, seek first to understand, then be understood. What this means? Directly applicable है boss, अपने काम धंधे से directly applicable है. This really means before you try to make other person understand, आपको आगे वाले को क्या समझाना है, यार मेरे को क्या बोलने का, सुन, ये जो होता है उसके पहले सुन के लो what they have to say. Those who are sitting at head office and various people from various places, when you try and communicate with head office, अगर head office बोलते सब छोड़, पहला हम लोग की बात सुन. एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, 4 या 5 बार, you will understand that. छठे बार यू विल सी यार ये तो अपनी सुन ही नहीं रहा है, हमारे प्रॉब्लम समझ ही नहीं रहा है. It's essential that you understand other person first and then be understood. Anyone has any example? The meaning of this, the example that comes to your mind. Seek first to understand, then be understood.
सर कस्टमर के यहाँ जाते हैं तो सबसे पहले जो भी मशीन में प्रॉब्लम है मीन्स एरर दिखते बराबर हम काम करने से पहले मीन्स क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रहा था वो अच्छी तरह से टेक्नीशियन से जान ले.
Yes.
उसके बाद ही प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करते हैं.
डायरेक्टली एप्लीकेबल टू आवर वर्क. अगर आप पहले ही बोलेंगे ठीक है बाजू में हटो हम लोग देख लेते हैं, एक कॉन्फिडेंस रहता है लोगों को और एक तरीका रहता है, ठीक है हमको मालूम है, हाँ हाँ बॉस वी नो देख लेते हैं. नेवर डू दैट. सिर्फ वो डॉक्टर को या वो टेक्नीशियन को क्या बोलना है आप सुन के लो. अगर 10 मिनट आपके लिए शायद थोड़ा बहुत बोरिंग रहेगा, उसके लिए बहुत जरूरी रहता है. एंड नॉट ओनली दैट, यू फर्स्ट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज द रियल प्रॉब्लम, not the mechanical, the real problem. Once you understand that real problem, psychological, physical, mechanically, then you just reassure that person, yes, it will be done, don't worry. Then again, confirm, asking the question, do you really have anything more to say? It's important that you spend that half an hour in getting the instructions from the technician who's handling that machine or from the doctor, what are their problems. Spend that time, you will find the doctor really has started liking you, whether you deliver that in time or not. He really likes you because he knows that यार ये मेरी बात तो सुन के लेता है. That is what it means. Seek first to understand, then be understood. हमेशा आप आपके पर्सनल लाइफ में देखोगे तो हमें बोलने की बहुत ज्यादा धैर्य. अगर अपने दिमाग में कुछ बात बतानी है and somebody says, look, I have to say something, you will immediately say, सुनना, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ सुनना. तेरा दिमाग बाजू में रख, सुन तो पहला. It is making other person understand before you have understood what that person has to say. I mean, एक लाइव एग्जाम्पल यही बुक का है, हंसने जैसा है, मजा आएगी. एक बार एक कैप्टन जो है वॉर यूएस नेवी का वॉरशिप सी में से जा रहा था, समुद्र में से. दूर देखा कैप्टन ने एक लाइट दिखा, तुरंत रेडियो सेट पे कांटेक्ट किया. हु इज दिस? वी आर so and so, please change your course to 20 degrees north, जो भी है, whatever, 20 degrees. Reply comes, sir, you please change the course 20 degrees. कैप्टन भड़क जाता है, बोलता है ये कौन है? मैं आर्मी शिप लेके जा रहा हूँ पूरा, लाइक यूएस नेवी, ये मेरे को बोल रहा है कोर्स चेंज कर. He says, please understand, we are so and so, we are US Navy and warship, please change your course 20 degrees. Again सामने से reply आता है, sir, we urge, मतलब we request to please change the course 20 degrees. भड़क जाता है कैप्टन, बोलता है if you don't change the course, I will fire missiles at you. सामने से रिप्लाई आता है, सर, we insist you change the course 20 degrees because we are lighthouse. Complete paradigm shift, complete change of understanding. जो इसके दिमाग में था उसने समझ नहीं लिया. He should first, radio contact में first we ask, identify yourself. वो अगर अंडरस्टूड हो जाता था बराबर, if it would have been understood properly, शायद ये नौबत नहीं है. Suddenly your entire perception changes. वो कैप्टन को झक मार के without any choice कोर्स चेंज करना पड़ा. because if that's a lighthouse, that means there is island. Captain can't really run into it. As simple as that. Simple things, when you try to understand what it is from customer, it really helps. Okay. How to do it? How to understand other person effectively? I'm just taking a bit more on this simply because ये हमारे कस्टमर ओरिएंटेड है, ये हमारे कम्युनिकेशन ओरिएंटेड है, ये हमारे नॉन वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन ओरिएंटेड है, बहुत जरूरी है। आप सुन रहे हो, कोई बात कर रहा है, उस वक्त पे क्या क्या तकलीफ आती है, different रोड ब्लॉक्स। Number one, spacing out. What this means probably is your mind wanders. आपका दिमाग कोई भलते सलते जगह पर घूमता है जब सामने वाला बोलता है